All right, we're doing a quick one today. Got the Mazda in here. Jeans from Advanced Auto Parts. We're doing an alignment on it, and the tie rod ends on one side. So one side the tie rod end was too long, and the other side was too short. So we flopped them. This side now is okay, but that one's still too short. So Josh is over here. We just made a sleeve on it so that we're gonna, so we gotta put a sleeve in it. Now we're gonna weld that up. So this way we got enough adjustment on it. So we got some thick wall tubing, same size as the tie rod. We're gonna get that welded up, and we'll go put it back on. Gene's gonna be going racing soon. You gonna go get your license next week? Cool. All right, got that all back together. Back together now. He's gonna get it's got a 4-link in it, but it's got no anti-roll bar in it. So he's gonna order an anti-roll bar, some kit or something, and then we'll put the anti-roll bar in it, and then we'll be able to go fix it and take it for a ride.